Today's video is all about why you should apply for an American Express credit card. Stay tuned. Thanks for returning back to the channel. I'm Katina Willis. This channel is all about business funding, entrepreneurship, and real estate, and a little bit of credit because once again, I've been on a funding spree and I want to tell you about this great new credit card that I have. All right, today's video is going to be real quick because my dog is annoying me. All right, but I just want to talk about why you should apply for an American Express card. Now, what I did was, once again, they were inboxing me to death with all these pre-qualifications. So they kept inboxing me about a Delta Skymiles, right? So that would be this card. I was waiting to apply, doing some things with my credit, but I finally decided, let me go ahead and apply for this Delta Skymiles, and so I did, and they wanted to link to my bank account. Now, just to a little disclaimer, I do already have a relationship with American Express, so I have some others, but they kept emailing me to apply for a Delta card. So I decided to apply, and I said, while I'm at it, why not apply for a business credit card? So that would be card number 2. So the funny thing is that when I got the approval for the credit card, I want to say I don't remember which approval I got first, but I do remember that I applied on the business side first. And once I got that approval, I was happy about it because I've been wanting one of these cards for every time I fly. So I was happy to get the approval, and I totally forgot about the personal side. But a week after I received the business card, I got an email saying your card is on the way. And I was thinking, I've already received my card. So I started checking my email, and boom, it was card number 2. So the point of this video today is that when you apply for American Express, make sure you apply for business and personal so that you can get 2 credit cards at one time with one inquiry. Right? So that is the awesome news I wanted to say today about American Express. All right, so let's talk about the benefits of this American Express business card, right? So some of the benefits is that you get free bags when you fly with Delta. You get, what else do you get? You get free miles. You get free baggage, free baggage when you fly. When you buy on the plane, you get discounts, right? You get 20% back. And also one of the biggest benefits that I recall, I should have had my paper in front of me, but I got like a review checklist or something. But one of the other big benefits is that you do get rewards on this. You get rewards with this card, and you also get the travel insurance. So when you book and you use this card, this Delta American Express business Delta Skymiles card, when you book and you use this card, you automatically get the traveler's insurance, you get points, you get rewards, you get free baggage, you get a lot of benefits that you don't get if you use your Visa or your Capital One or something else. That's my update about this American Express card. And 2 for 1. So that's always cool. 2 for 1. So both of these cards do not have an annual fee either. I forgot to mention that. But if you did like this video, or if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate. Leave them in the comment section below. I would love to see your questions and to speak back. All right, thanks for watching. That's all for today. It's Katina Willis. And again, this channel is all about business funding, entrepreneurship, credit, and real estate. So I will see you on the next video.